What up, Lenas? This is another video. Hello. We are going to do more of a red lip, kind of like silver smoky eye look today. I have a whole outfit planned out for it. So yeah, you'll see that. You'll see the outfit sooner than you'll see this video, probably. So yeah. First, it is primer. I am using the Porefessional Pore Primer by Benefit today. I've been testing out different primers and what works well on my face, and I actually tested a new one, and if you can tell my chin looks super red, it's because I broke out trying this new primer. And I'm not gonna say the primer because, you know, I like to try different kinds of makeup, okay, and it works for a lot of other people. It just doesn't work for my skin, okay? So we won't be using that primer. My face is very sensitive right now, so the Pore Benefit Primer usually does the trick for my skin. Put it all over my face and I just kind of smooth it out. Yeah, I use a different setting spray and I used a different primer this last time, and they made me break out really bad. Yeah, so I don't know if it was like an allergic reaction or what the heck was going on, but I do know that I won't be using those products again. So we will start with the eyebrows first. And I am using the Creme Shop Eyebrow Pomade. It is in chocolate. Before, I couldn't get like the right color for my brows. Like, it took a long time for me. But I remember Nicole Guerrero. I remember her talking about how she liked to do her eyebrows really dark too. And I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna be scared to say I like the dark brows, okay? I'm not gonna be scared to say that. So here we are. And don't worry, because any mistakes that you make, we're gonna go in and correct them with concealer. Sorry, off my contacts. And then I like to go in, brush them up. I still very much like the Instagram brow. Okay, guys, I'm still rocking it. We are going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm just taking this Morphe eyeshadow brush right here. It has a flatter head. And I'm just going to move this out, kind of carve out the brows. I may look a little crazy, but don't you worry, it's all going to come together. Oh God. Here goes this eyebrow, and here goes this eyebrow. Ta-da! Right now we're going to focus on the eyes. We are going in with the Terra Beauty palette right here, which is in Pro 15 Goddess Nem shadow palette. It is a beautiful palette right here. We're going to be going in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush right here, which it is a more denser brush. As you can tell, I have my little ColourPop mirror. We're going to be going in with a light gray color called Fall For You, which is this one right here. We're going to be going from lightest, which is the gray neutral shade that we put on our eyes just right now, and then we will be, as we go lower, we will be going darker. This is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH22 brush. We'll be going in with this Lure Me In shade right here. If you want to be more precise, you hold the brush closer to the bristles. If you want to be more free, you hold the brush further away from the bristles. Then we're going to go in with another color, which will be our darkest color. We're going to be going in with the BH Cosmetics number 9 brush, which looks like this. And we'll be going in with Sanctuary, which is this color right here. And I'm only putting it like up to right here because that's the rest of my inner corner is where the shimmer or the glitter will go. So now that we have that built up, it looks a lot lighter on camera, y'all, but I promise y'all it is like getting darker. I'm going to go in with this brush right here. This one is the Morphe brush, Justice, right here. And to get a good blend, y'all, I like to go in with a few different colors. I've done other people's makeup before, and I don't go in with as many. And next we will be going in with the darkest color, which will be on our outer lid. This brush right here, it is a Morphe M456. As you can tell, I love me some Morphe brushes. Gonna be going in with Nightfall. Now we're going to be going in with this Temptation color, which looks like this. We're going to blend the shimmer better. Next up, we will be going in with a makeup white. After that, we will be going in with the foundation. We're going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation. This right now has been my go-to besides Fenty. I'll move it downward. And then we'll be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape for under the eyes. I am in a shade Light Neutral 22, and I like to keep it a shade lighter. And then I use my pointy side right here to blend. So next up, we are going to set everything. I don't know about y'all, but I crease a lot under my eyes, which is why sometimes I don't use a lot of concealer. Sometimes when like I haven't gotten sleep, probably like tomorrow, I'll use a shit ton of concealer. This is Rihanna's setting powder in Banana. I put powder on my upper lip too because your girl be sweating, okay? Have you ever like not really been hot, but like you're in a situation or something and you just start to sweat like automatically? Like if you've been talking to someone too long or something like that, your body's just like, okay, get me out of here. And then your lip starts to sweat and I'm like, I didn't put on enough setting powder for this. And then from there, we're going to be using our bronzer, which today I'll be using the Get Snatched bronzer palette by Lorella. And we are going to use this shade right here. But as you can see, it is for all skin types, skin tones. And the reason why I put it right here is because it distracts y'all from my papa, okay? Some people like to get like really into it, like do this and CMC minus squared, and I don't do that. It's too much. So next up, we are going to do the blush. These two shades combined are perfect. I'm going in with the e.l.f. angled blush brush, and I actually like this brush. I'll be going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter waterproof setting powder. Use this every single time. You've seen me in every single one of my lives. I love this. Now I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner, and we are going to do this eyeliner by Romantic Beauty Professional Makeup. It's called Liquid Eyeline, and it is waterproof. And then we're going to use black liner. I'm going to use Miss Me with That Fix by Amuse Professional. Let's go in with these lashes, shall we? I read somewhere, if you put on fake eyelashes with your fingers, then you're a toxica. Well, bitches, I guess I'm a toxica because I can't for the life of me do tweezers because I'm scared that I would poke my eye out. I would really do that. You see how much a lash makes a whole look? Okay, it's cute. Damn. Takes a whole village, y'all. Takes a whole village. Voila. There's the lashes. We're going to go in with a red lip, which is Kylie Jenner's Red Velvet. Okay. This is the Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Oh my. And I do overline my lips just a tad bit. We're going in with the Too Faced lip injection right here just to give it that pouty fullness. Let's take this off and let's see the magic. And this right here is it, guys. It is the final look. I love, love, love a very silver like smoky eye with a red lip. Yeah, so make sure you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then go follow me, the Natalie Reina, on all of my social media channels. Make sure you go follow me on TikTok because I will be doing TikToks on there. And for me to go live on TikTok, I need 1,000 followers. Okay, so make sure you go follow me. I'm out. Peace.